In my garage, I've had this Schwinn bicycle pump for years, and it has gathered dust without being used. So I had the inspiration to see if I could make it into a steam engine or pretend steam engine to run on compressed air. Well, here is the result. This is the first iteration of the steam engine.
This is the latest iteration of the bicycle pump steam engine. Let's see if it works. This is now a 2-cylinder, and the valves which control it are the setup is a little bit different, so I plan to change that, but this runs much better now. Much faster. This now is the final version of the bicycle pump steam engine, and this version has the cylinders mounted in the same way and the valves mounted the same way. It looks a little bit more elegant. I wonder if it works. Let's try it. The tank is running out of gas. A little air, I mean. And there's the last gasp. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Now you know how this old man entertains himself in the garage.